Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this business card in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our business card. First we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we will set the size of the rectangle. Now we'll set the align of the rectangle. Align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will drag the rectangle with the shift key and right click to make a copy. Now we will adjust the width of the rectangle. Now we'll select the inner rectangle. Now we'll select the interactive fill tool. Now we'll apply like this. Now we will set the colors. By double click, we will add the color. Now we will remove the outline of the rectangle by right click. Now we'll select the outer rectangle and we will fill black color and we will remove the outline. Now we have these details. First we will place the logo. Now we'll adjust the size of the logo. Now we'll select the rectangle and the logo and we will press C to align center. Now we'll select the text tool. Now we'll select the font style. Here we will write the company name. Now we'll select both and we'll press C to align center. Now again we will select the text tool. Now we'll select the Arial font style. Here we will write the tagline. We will give a space after every letter. Now we will adjust the size and we will place here. I will select both and press C to align center. So this is the front side of our business card. Now we will create the back side. For that we will make a copy of the black rectangle by drag and right click. Now we'll select this black rectangle and we will drag like this. Now we will right click to make a copy. I will fill white color so you can see. Now I will go to the edit menu. Now I will select copy properties from. Now I will tick on fill. Then OK. Now we will click where we want to copy the properties. Now we'll drag with the arrow key. Now again we will make one more copy of the rectangle like this and we will right click. Now again we will copy the properties. I will select this rectangle and we will press Ctrl page down to send back. Now I will drag like this. I will select this rectangle and we will active the interactive fill tool. Now we will rotate the interactive fill tool like this. Now again we will select the text tool and the font style. Now we will write the person name for whom we are making a business card. Now we will adjust the size and we will place here. Now I will give an underline to this text.
Now
again we will select the text tool. Now we will write the designation of the person. And place here. Now we select both and we will press C to align center. Now we'll select the logo and the company name. I will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will adjust the size. We will decrease the size and we will place here. We will select the rectangle and the logo and we'll press C to align center. Now we'll select the rectangle tool and we will draw a small square. Now we will give an equal size to the square. Now we will decrease the size. I will place here. I will change the color and we will remove the outline. Now again we will decrease the size. Now we will drag and right click to make a copy. Then we will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now we'll place these icons on the square box. I will change the color of the square boxes. Now we will place these icons one by one like this in the center of the square. Now we will place these details and we will give a white color to this text. Now we will set the size. We will give a same size to all the detailed text. Now we'll select all this text. First we will drag like this. We'll select all and we will align from the left. Now we will adjust like this. Now we have this barcode. Now we'll place the barcode. We will decrease the size. Now I'll make a copy of this square by drag and right click. Now we will increase the size of the square. Now we will copy the properties. Now we will place this barcode on this square. Now we'll select both and we'll press C to align center. Now we will adjust the size of the square box. So guys, our business card design is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.